Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can raise a ticket on a support portal. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Murtaza and I'm your go-to person if you are stuck up with ArchiCAD or anything. But instead of now contact me directly, you have a portal through internet where you can access it anytime, anywhere. And we have a documentation also. If suppose I'm busy with something else and I'm not able to pick up your call, you can always go to a support portal and raise a ticket out there. So the website is support support dot dimension plus dot in. Yeah. So if you are already a user, you already know how you have to go it, but this is for a first time user. This is a space which you will get, and you have a knowledge based articles also. So if you already a client are on an SSA, you get priority support through that. Now you directly have an option of adding a ticket here, but you are a new year. So what you do is you do a sign up out here. Now it will ask you certain things. So I can just enter my name, and this is only for demonstration purpose, and this ID is created for that only. Okay, and just a verification, and you can sign up. So once the sign up is done, no, you will get a email to us. There will be an email to us, and once upon approval, you can just sign in directly. Okay, so I will go to sign in. Then on your email, you will receive an email something like this, and you simply have to just accept the invitation. Upon that, it will again take you to a website, and then you will be asked to set up a password. So I can set up a password right now. It's also giving you the strength of the password. Let me just enter it again. Yeah, and I will register out here. Ah, and then you register, and once you have successfully registered, you will have some information out here. So you can keep your name, full name, display name, contact name, mobile number. Please don't forget to input your mobile number, as if we want to contact you for anything, be it a screen share, anything, it becomes very difficult. And if you want, you can even enter your ID. So if we have anything regarding to social media for you, we can tag you or have mentioned you in our comments. After that, you can please don't forget to also give the location to India. These things are important. And when we go to dashboard, these are your activity. You currently don't have none. Now after that, what you do is you go to add a ticket, because you want to add some ticket. Then what you can do is you can see that there are articles out here. If those are some relating article you are looking for, you can directly click on this, or else what you can do is you can subject. Now, like a normal email, when you do, you have to do the same thing out here. So let's say not able to edit a wall. You can see when I'm typing the subject, it is giving me some suggestions of the articles. It will be there. Now subject and description you have to write that you how you draw a wall. So you
Unknown caller.
select one wall. Sorry for the spelling errors. Okay, so you have to write a description and possibly an image also. Photo will be really great. You have something out here is to upload a URL, both options you have, or else you can insert these things also, but it's better if you have a screenshot also, so it will be easy for me and my team to assist you. And in product name, if you it's regarding ArchiCAD, we currently have added 3 versions because we are into supporting 3 versions. We even support older versions, but for that you need to write ArchiCAD 22. So let's say it's a 24 version, and then you have to set your priority, because we have set this system in such a way that if you have a high priority, your ticket will be shown to us on a higher side. So let's say it's a medium priority, and then in classification you have to fill in that is it a question, is it a problem, feature, or others. I will say it's a problem, and if I want to attach a screenshot with this, I can do directly attach from here, and I have to do is submit. Upon submitting, your ticket has been created. Now if we receive any reply, or you want to comment or you want to add anything, you can go to comment and you can add few things that okay, what is the improvement or anything. And if we reply, you will get a reply in this panel, as well as you will receive an email also. After that, you can see that there are properties. If we have helped you out and you have completed that, you go to edit and you can see that okay, this is done. You can change it at any time, and you can also close this ticket directly from here. So if you want to close the ticket, you can do that once you have got a reply from our side. Please make it a habit that you only come, and once it is done, you can come to here, and you can just close the ticket at any point you want. Don't wait for us to ask you that okay, if it's done or no or not. If all this is done, you can simply do is, if you got a reply from our side, you can do close ticket and yes. So you will have a record how many tickets you have created. Now when you go to my area, you will see that okay, which are the open tickets, any closed tickets on hold, and you will be created by your team. Now this is important that in the backend base we are adding all your firms. So if if there are 3 people that belong to a same firm, they have to mention it in the user information, and we will be keeping it on the same base. So if suppose your teammates have raised the ticket, you will see that in my area, and under team you will see their tickets also, and if you have the same issue, you can refer to that ticket also. And then there is knowledge base. So in knowledge base we have added few articles. You can see it everywhere that we have kept few articles. You can refer to these also, and these are based on the Indian context. And then there is the home area. So please, we are completely attached to this, and we are updating everything we want. So raise a ticket so that you have also a documented proof as well as us. Hope to see more tickets soon. Bye bye.